sorry. Yes, it's actually the white one in the background.
Okay, this looks like a remains of a very old coconut here, so I'll go off and find.
Ancient coconuts.
Yes. Well, at 0.1 knots, we have lots of time to do that. Lots of time. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Video, we got any more zoom? That white object center screen might be of interest.
I think your mic's muted, video.
Okay. Thank you, Randy. I'm just going to work my way up and down this chunk of bamboo here. Just track focus.
Okay. Go ahead, Tim. But it will be back very soon.
So an estimated time to our waypoint 2 would be 2 hours and 10 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, copy that too. Yeah, I think we would like to start the move now.
We have been moving.
We're moving
Oh,
at the moment.
okay. So, yep. I think we can start looking around at other things. Well,
Okay.
thank you.
Get to the end of this. Oh, this little creature at the end. Okay, zoom out, please, video. There's another piece of wood. All right, thanks. Just gonna work up and down the wood here.
Go ahead, Jakarta.
Sorry, I was just checking to see if we had comms. We thought we were cut off for a few minutes.
Yeah, we were cut up for a couple of minutes, but we are back now.
Okay, video, let's come out to full wide, please.
Okay, copy that.
Let's hold that.
Nah, this is science.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we might want to call for a ship stop once it gets above us, because we probably want to spend some time here.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll do that when the ship is above the RO.
Uh,
Actually, I can do that now if.
Well, whenever you feel that would be a good place for the ship.
Okay.
At this depth, if you call a ship stop now, the camera platform will
Well-
drift to a stop where it needs to be. So I would call for a ship stop now.
Okay. Bridge.
Already picked up a lot of
Go ahead.
slack in the tether here.
Could you stop the boat?
Roger, stopping the ship.
Thank you.
We will work this log from end to end.
Santiago, it's Tim again.
All right. I call the
Go ahead, Tim.
the ship log. I mean the ship stop.
Thank you.
Okay, copy that. Pilot, this is science.
Yes,
Can we please get the lasers on?
lasers.
Santiago, this is Tim again.
Go ahead, team.
Yeah, can we put a target down here on the map thing as a wood one?
Pilot, do you think it's
Absolutely.
possible I can get some stick time on some easy terrain?
Nah, this is science.
Yeah.
Also,
Yes, go ahead.
I know we're gonna wanna
Hold on.
look in a little closer at the sediment up limit once we
Yes, the sediment around the log, you mean?
yes, there's some things that we coming out of sediment that may be monophone worms.
Yeah, I see them. Okay,
Could be monophone worms. Ooh,
we're just waiting for sediment to settle, I think.
yeah, that's a great idea. Looks like there's two coming down instead of you.
Yeah, I see a lot of tubes coming out. Okay,
All
we'll
right,
work on
video.
all those.
We can
Okay.
start to go in and
And
some
yeah,
macro
sorry.
work
Could you please drop a target here indicating this log?
Okay.
Thank you.
let's hold that. Do some looking around here. Okay, video, I think we can go in slow and start to do some macro work here. And I'll just be shifting around if you just track focus. I'm gonna go out on a limb here. No pun intended, but this looks like a piece of Philippine mahogany or Luan, just by the grain. That's my prop wash there.
Seem to have stabilized, looking about 250 at your pilot.
Perfect.
Barely hear you. Real quiet.
Video, this is science. Oh.
Dead science.
Just wanted to make sure that we keep all this footage of the log, but I guess you're not editing at this point, so
Roger that.
Thank-
We'll make sure we do that, though.
thank you.
Yeah, it was just turned way down on this panel. Anyways. Your key EX1004L. It's fine, man.
Pilot, this is science.
Yes.
Just I thought we would like to also look at things that might be on the sediment next to the log.
Okay.
I can only hear them on the direct
But
feed
this
here,
is, yeah, this is great. I think the way you're doing it is ideal. Thank you, thank you. Go ahead, Seattle.
Actually, I can't hear it. Either Seattle or OKEX either, so they're using it right now.
Seattle here on OKEX.
No, I didn't. I hear crosstalk.
We seem to be hearing
Somebody else
everybody
is
just fine.
doing it. Got it. Santiago, this is Ken. Can you have him keep going down like this, keeping the camera down? I just maxed it out. It was a 0 right now.
To what? Sorry.
Keep the camera down from here and look for something white in your
Go.
hand near the tubes.
Yeah.
I saw a shell.
Okay. We'll do. Pilot, this is science.
Yes.
They were wondering if we could spend a little time on the sediments. We thought we saw a shell and maybe some other things. There's a crab.
There's a crab, there's a tube.
Yeah. Thank you.
There's another tube. Center screen. Let's leave it here just because it's wiggling around. There's more tubes. Zoom out just a little bit here. Yeah, something inside the log has been displacing sediment, bringing
Yeah.
it outside.
Is that a little shell too?
There's a little shell here on the lower left.
I don't know if it's a shell. Looks like a shell, but
Let's zoom in. Full. Focus on the white object.
yeah, it looks like a shell, but I'm not sure if it's a shell. It's kind of rounded, but
Let's
it
come
doesn't really seem like a.
digging a burrow.
Yeah.
And under the log there's a pile of spoils. Something's been going out and out there maybe.
That on the bottom, kind of center, that looks like a
Oh.
shell, doesn't it?
And
Like
on
a,
the
like a
right-
broken shell.
Oh, I see what you're looking at. Full zoom?
And then it's one of those marbles.
Yeah. That looks like a piece of shell. And over here we have, there's your marble. Okay, let's come back out.
Sorry, I misheard.
Hold that. Let's go back in, look at these tubes.
Roger that.
That's good. I've got a worm.
Oh yeah, it's actually moving, isn't it?
Yep.
And there's a shell.
Any
Of-
more zoom?
That is. Looks
Yeah,
like
it's
a
full
snail,
zoom.
doesn't it?
Okay, thanks. Yes, come out medium. Let's hold that. Go back.
Girl looks like one of those tube worms from the other day.
Yes, with a worm
Yeah.
inside.
Yep.
So Santiago, this is Tim.
Go ahead, Tim.
Yeah, when we're done doing the macro like this, when we finish, it'd be great to zoom out and see if we can get a large image of the whole pool put toward a large picture.
All right. Copy that. We'll do.
So thanks.
This is frustrating.
Whoa. Is that a shell in the sediment? Where we were?
That was a shell.
Is that fulsome?
Is that all we got, video? It's like shell remains.
Some kind of snail up above there. Maybe, or I
Oh,
don't know what that
there's
is.
something new.
Different.
What is that?
That is the north end of the log. Let's come full wide video and get an overview here.
There are some white objects in the foreground.
Okay, let's back up a little bit, get some light on the
Wonder if
subject.
there are any shells or clamps around.
I'm gonna go to the other side and see what we shall see. This also appears to be down current, which will help.
Coconut.
Oh, there we go. Okay, video, let's zoom in and have a look into the coconut while we're waiting for things to settle here. Let's hold that for a moment.
It looks like that's the other end of the whole aquarium to the top right.
Oh yeah, the big thing. Yeah, I think that's the end of the long-bodied animal that we were seeing on the other side. Yeah, I thought it was a holoturian.
Let's go in macro around now, video.
EX, this is Hui.
Wow. Hello, Hui. Are you talking on Seattle?
Yes, we're in Seattle. I
Hey.
just wanted to let you know that that issue with the static through the nav screen is still happening.
The s- the
Is still happening.
the issue with the what?
The loud burst of static from screen 3, the nav screen,
Oh,
getting that.
okay. Let me. Yep. They will try to correct that right now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Good to hear you.
think that's it for the coconut. Let's move over to the log.
This video, your Maurice problems have been cleared.
Yeah, the white object. That's the other end of the large, whatever it is.
I think it's a sea cucumber.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, pilot. I think after this we would like to keep moving.
Okay.
So maybe before we leave this site, if we can have an overall view of the place,
Yes.
that would be excellent.
Science, do you want another ship move after this log?
Yes, please. Just continue the previous course.
Okay.
Thank you.
It seems as if the crabs have all gone to this side of the log, maybe because
Santiago, can we get a
I spoiled the neighborhood.
They're moving.
Yep.
Are those limpets?
I don't know. So Nav, you can go ahead, call in the ship move. I'll have plenty of time to
Okay.
get myself sorted out.
All right, I'll call in the ship move.
I'm about at the end of my focal range here.
Yeah, let's come full wide. I think I've drifted onto the log here. See if I can steal away gently.
Pilot, this is science.
Yeah, go ahead.
We were wondering if this log appears in the sonar.
It did. That's how we found it. We
Oh,
we
okay.
went to the west of the track line to pursue this because it was the only target on sonar.
Cool. I think there was a shell sticking out of the sediment to the left of this log. I don't know if it's a little bit more to the left. Right there. Right there.
All right, let's. Oops, wait, hang on a second. I'm still getting tether tug here. Okay, let's zoom in.
Seems to be more on top of a sediment than
Yeah.
around it, right?
Nav, this is the bridge.
Go ahead, Bridge.
Bringing the ship's heading around to 250.
Thank you, Bridge.
So whatever's burrowing holes here is not lining it with a shell.
Yep. Not much on this log other than those limpets.
The bridge is rotating the boat to 250, so 10 degrees.
Is a worm. It's built a case for itself, and okay, let's macro. Two worms with
Two-
cases.
Are those little shells?
They're little something.
These are agglutinated clams. So there's no wonder why that thing. I think we can move on.
Okay. Would you like to increase the speed of the move to 0.2 knots? Okay. Oh, okay. I just saw your message.
Yeah, see it. Okay, let's come out wide.
Coconut, maybe.
Oh.
Oh no, it's a rock. Huh?
That's wood.
Yeah, it is wood. Very oxidized.
It's very red in color, though.
Yeah. Ooh, there's a mini shrimp swimming there.
Oh, focus in the background there. What is that white? It's a little.
That's looks like the same thing we saw
Yeah.
before. I think it's a yeah, it's a shell, but it's nothing.
Okay, focus near.
I think there was one of those giant single-celled organisms. Oh, there's a snail right there
Yeah.
to the left of the wood.
That thing?
And the dark up.
Dark up. Okay.
That.
Zoom in, please.
Yeah.
That's a single cell.
Nav, this is science.
Go ahead.
Can you please drop a target here?
What should I call it?
Oh, it could be log 2.
Log 2?
To be consistent.
There goes the neighborhood. Okay, video, let's zoom in and see what these tubular structures are. I got you some tube worms. All right, thanks. Just wait for the dust to settle a little bit here. You'll probably have to pull up to come over me. Maybe not, but
Yeah,
see how it
keep
goes.
an eye on the float. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up. We got quite a bit of heave.
Yeah.
The bridge informed me a while ago 20 knot winds.
20 knots. Yep. A little squally out there.
That's good.
Weather's fine down here.
Yeah, it's very calm.
Empty shell of a worm.
We have approximately, I think, an hour and 40 minutes on the bottom.
We want to be at 50 meters at 5:45.
Not too many new things around here, huh? I mean, that we haven't seen before.
Just, it's interesting. There's lots of tube worms on this log, and there were virtually none on the other big log. Oops.
Yeah, approximately 2 hours.
All right. Okay.
Pilot, this is science.
Yes. Go ahead.
Yeah, I think we should just look around on the sediment and see if we see anything
Okay.
particularly
Let's zoom
interesting,
out
such
a little bit.
as
Video.
a shell
Let's hold
or a
that
clam, such
a little bit.
as
Video.
a shell
Let's hold
or a
that.
clam.
Science, do you want to stop?
Pretty cool color though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna harass him. We've seen her in. Okay.
Make it swim.
And
It's eating.
play dead.
Too busy eating.
Yeah. Okay. Doesn't want to play. Keeping the detritus cleaned away from the grains of sand here.
Yeah. I don't see anything.
And no, nobody's working on it right now, but somebody
Yeah.
has been actively cleaning
Yep.
this. See, so go macro. Is there a worm? Is it one of those worms that covers itself with grains of sand and
Could be.
there's some little shape
Yeah.
there.
Hard to tell, but yeah.
Okay, let's zoom out video.
Pilot thinks it's cool.
Well, pilot's getting a better look.
Oh. It did kind of look that way. From
Yeah, it
the
did
other
at the end there because the way it tapered off to a fine
side. Right.
fine edge looked like bone, but this doesn't look like.
That looks woodish.
This looks like a grain to it.
Yeah, I think we've got a piece of wood here. Let's zoom in.
Yeah.
Definitely wood.
I think it's wood.
Okay, and back out a little bit. Let's have a look around, see who's here. Usual collection of crabs and what I've been calling fleas.
Must have been broken off.
Yeah. Okay, let's go full wide. But somebody's digging holes, making piles. Let's get a quick zoom on this guy here.
I don't think we've seen this one before, have we?
And
there he goes.
He'll show us his best side. Yeah. He's got a little hitchhiker parasite, maybe. Bottom there.
It looks like a worm. Checker. I'm always surprised when these creatures have this much energy to put on this kind of display. Although I guess they don't use much in normal activity.
I guess he didn't feel that threatened.
You killed it.
No. Sort of coral, I guess. Thank you. Looking down the stalk. Okay, let's come wide. It. I think it's dead, whatever it is.
Yeah, there doesn't seem to be anything inside. I believe my platform is stopped, so
Yep.
that's pretty good.
You are stationary and looking northwest at me.
Yes.
Okay, let's zoom out. Furniture.
Nav, this is the bridge. Move is
Bamboo
underway.
lawn
Thank you, Bridge.
furniture. Okay.
Living in it?
Well, if I was a crab, that would be a perfect place for me.
Yeah.
He's probably in the other end.
Alright, I see you in my nadir cam,
Got that?
and I'm basically nadir to you, my
Yeah.
main camera.
On the white material? Okay. Pilot, would like a quick zoom on that white material on top of the wood.
Alright, coming back.
Thank you.
Pilots and science, we've begun the ship move.
Roger that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What was the bearing again?
188.
188.
Tell me when you want me to point the camera 188.
Yeah, okay. I shall.
Okay, ready.
Actually, this may not be furniture. This might be a musical instrument, but it's not clear. Zoom in, please. Oh, let's come back out. I'm surprised nothing is. This hasn't been down here very long.
No, nothing has gone on.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
Alright, and
Yeah, you're pointed 180.
yeah, I'm pointing 180.
Close
186.
enough. Yeah. Okay.
Slowly zoom. Alright, stop. So I see what happens when you zoom. You feel that you're moving. All right,
Yes.
focus.
There you go.
Okay, zoom in more. I think I did a land.
Now, when you're trying to adjust yourself in
Uh-huh.
close like that, we'll turn off auto heading. That's
Okay.
that button
That
there.
one.
Now, it's a lot more sensitive, but you can nudge yourself around and you get a quick response.
Okay. All right, hold that. All right, can you zoom in a bit on the head? See. Oh, that's a little too much. All right. Right now, that's fine. Zoom out. Whoa. All right. All right. My first bugger. Medium shots, please. All right, a little bit more.
Gosh, that almost does look like a fin.
Let's try say. Let's get the front of the animal. Okay, let's go in for the front. Slowly. All right. A little bit less. Zoom out a bit. All right, that's good. Focus. Good. Put a little bit more down. Okay. All right, refocus again.
Yeah, there's a lot of dust.
Yeah, that's a lot
that
of
needs
dust.
to settle.
All right, so we just wait here to let it
Yeah,
settle.
well, you can nudge yourself a little right, so you can use
Okay.
little nudges to scoot yourself.
Auto heading off.
Well, you just turned it on.
Oh, oops.
There you go.
Yes. All right. Let's see. All right. Whoop, whoop. Okay. All right. I'm gonna point it up. See what this thing is about. Let's zoom in a bit more. Okay. All right. Focus. Good.
Yeah, there's a lot of crud in the water here.
Yeah, there is. Maybe zoom out a bit so the focus is. All right. That's good. That's good. Huh.
That is bizarre.
That is. Do you want to zoom into the tip, Science?
Uh,
The,
nah.
all right.
Maybe just
I'm gonna get the tail end. Finish that up. Whoa. All right. Let's slowly do our medium. Let's go to medium again.
yeah, that's good.
Let me center it. All right. Stop right there. Okay. Let's get some. So. All right. There's the lasers for perspective. All right. Let's full wide.
So weird.
That is. Video. Could you adjust the exposure? All right. Okay. Ready to zoom video? Let me put the lasers. Okay. Start zooming.
Looks like the one we've seen in the logs, doesn't it, Tim?
Yeah. Okay.
On the pieces of wood.
Full zoom.
The one we saw.
Are we at full zoom?
Yeah, I don't know.
Full zoom in.
Actually, I think so. Until no, not the. Oh, maybe the second piece of wood on the other side. No,
Yeah.
you're probably right.
A lot of dust. Okay. Let's say. That's an interesting gate. Check it out. It's kind of a
It's only about
4. Yeah.
Aren't they supposed to have 6?
Oh, oops. Yeah. They're supposed to have 8 actually. Crabs, aren't they?
No.
Oh,
8 is for
rather.
arachnids. Calycerate. Well, not calycerates, for things like spiders. And 6 is for insects.
Ah. And then this guy? Alright. Science, you want me to zoom into it? That's too much. Alright. Video. Can you have a medium shot? Thank you. Thank you, Randy. You're fine. Whoop. Alright. Let's go down. Okay. Alright. Oop. Let me, alright. Yeah. Let's do it slowly. Okay. Go. Alright. That's good. Slower. I mean, go further. Let's see. Is that full zoom? Alright. Science, do you want me to look at this more? Your mic is muted. Science, your mic is muted.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. If you could tilt up and look at the other end,
Okay.
I think it should come.
Randy, could you zoom out? Thank you. Alright, I'll fly.
You see that white?
Yeah, I'll try to fly to that. Full zoom. Thank you. Alright. I mean, full out. Full wide, yeah. Let's go up. Take off. Alright. Alright, medium shot, thank you, please. Let's see.
Nah,
Not alright. Move on.
nothing. Yes, please.
Full
Thank you.
out. Thank you.